Hey folks, Jimmy here, aka Palette of the Dead. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another Mortal Realms video. As per usual with all these videos, if you like them, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and drop a comment down below. It is greatly appreciated, and I do try to get back to every comment as fast as I possibly can. Now, this Wednesday's video is going to be a little bit different because of a simple fact. My issue of this week's magazine just hadn't turned up. I went to go fetch it this morning, and the news agents I could fetch it from, they just hadn't received it. It hadn't turned up with all the other magazines like it should have. So in the next couple of days I'm hoping that it will turn up. If not, Hatchet Partworks are a bunch of sods, in all honesty. So with this video, going to have a look at a few different things, what is coming up in the magazine in a fair few issues time. So we're getting ahead of ourselves quite a bit, but it gives you a head up of stuff to look forward to with the magazine. If you were thinking that it's not for you anymore, or if you're getting bored of it, it is entirely up to you. But some of these things might change your mind, or might sway you to get certain issues over other issues. Now, on the 25th of November, the issue that we'll get is going to be issue number 40, which will come with a Knight Azeroth model as well. So for your Stormcast Eternals, you can get this Knight Azeroth, which is a nice flying unit, go with your Prosecutor, and he carries that lantern and that sword, or if you wanted to make him into a Knight Venator, you have that ability as well. This model, very nice, should be pretty cool to have. This won't be the last one we get. We should get another one, I think, if I'm kind of remembering rightly from the actual photo of all the bits and pieces that you're going to get with a magazine. So we should get one or two of these buggers. Very nice though, so it's definitely worth having that magazine, that issue. Issue 41, we get quite a chunky size of reinforcements for the Stormcast Eternals. What we're going to get is 3 Retributors, 2 Prosecutors and 1 Lord Relictor. The Lord Relictor, very nice unit, carrying that standard as well. Should be really cool. Definitely worth having as well with this one. That sprue is pretty cool. Normally you only get that sprue as part of the Start Collecting Thunderstrike Brotherhood set. It's because it used to be part of the original Age of Sigmar box game that you no longer can get because Soul Wars replaced it. So very nice to have that issue. Issue 42, we're going to get some more paints. So if you've watched my videos for a while, you know that I probably don't care that much about getting new paints, but in all honesty, if you're going along with the magazine, it is worth having these paints, because you're going to get Calgar Blue and Pallid Witch Flesh, and not only that, you're going to get a small layer brush as well to use with it. Very handy to have. Yeah, not too bad of a paint set. Having that extra brush as well helps out massively as well. Then into issue 43, we're going to get some pretty hefty reinforcements for Stormcast Eternals, in all honesty. Now, this is an absolute bumper, so if you miss out on this issue, you are missing out on an absolute treat, because we will get a Siege Blister with its crew, a Knight Incantor, a Castigator Prime, 2 Evocators and 2 Sequitors, all in that one issue. Very nice. If you really want to bulk out your army, try and get a couple of these issues if you can. Use literally the back ordering system through Hatchet Partworks to get hold of them if you really wish to. Very nicely done. Definitely a bumper issue, and could be very cool. And then the last issue that I have any inkling of what is coming up with it is issue 44. Now, issue 44 comes with a nice Nighthaunt unit. This unit on its own is 20 quid if you're buying it straight from GW, which is Lycaron the Executioner. Now, Lycaron is a pretty cool looking unit, carrying that nice hefty axe. and an hourglass, having them spirits around him looks very, very nice. As I say, it's a 20 quid model. It is definitely worth picking this issue up no matter what, just to get hold of that model, even if you don't care about the rest of them. Right, that is all that I know that's coming up in the very near future for the magazine. As soon as I know more, I will do another video about it. As soon as my latest issue comes in as well, there'll be another video for that this week, hopefully, providing it actually turns up. Fingers crossed. Right, I hope you guys are all well. If you have any questions, if you have any feedback, if you even want to just talk Warhammer or talk paint schemes or anything like that, just drop a comment down below. It is great to hear from you guys, as I've said before. Now, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye bye now.